Whether it's the beast from the east or the pest from the west, protect your home from meteorological monsters this winter with Watersafe's 5-point checklist. 1. Locate your stop tap. If a pipe freezes and bursts in your home, you need to be able to shut off the water supply, and quickly. 2. Insulate outside taps and pipes in unheated areas, like lofts, garages, and outbuildings. 3. Repair any leaky taps or valves. This will stop the frost getting in, and you'll save water too. 4. Check if your central heating boiler needs a service. You don't want it to go on the blink when you need it most. 5. If your house will be empty, leave your heating on low, about 14 degrees centigrade. Or if you're going to be away for a while, turn off your water supply and drain the system. If you need help with any of these tasks, Watersafe is the UK register for approved plumbers. You can trust all its members to be fully qualified and insured. Find out more at watersafe.org.uk/winter.